We distribute food that is sanctified. It's not about even material purity. When it becomes sanctified by offering to the Lord, with gratitude to the Lord for providing this for existence, that makes it super sanctified, spiritually sanctified. It has got a very curative, healing, transcendental effect for the good of the person who honors sanctified food. And that is what we are distributing. And how is it sanctified? The Lord sanctifies it transcendentally. He sees the bhavana, He sees the bhava. Bhavagrahi Janardana. The Lord eats our bhava. It's a mystical process. Every lot is not offered. The Lord knows. Thousands of people are coming every day. Mass distribution of prasadam means, it's a different kind of, leela of the Lord. You see, just like Shakti Veshanama, Lord Shakti enters in it. Similarly, food is, when it is offered to the Lord, it is spiritualized food. It is matter, but it becomes spiritualized.